Oh, hello. I didn't see that. Welcome to another Jigsaw video. Today's topic, or workplace value, will be flexibility. Not as in stretching, or poses, or any of that stuff. This is about flexibility as in adapting to change. Today, I'll show you some examples of this sort of type of flexibility in the workplace. Today at Jigsaw, we are being flexible by changing out trainers in each zone in the workplace. So here are some examples of rigid and being very flexible in the workplace. Here is an example of being flexible in a one-to-one.
We're running out of time. Would you mind switching over to file management? Yes.
Here is a bad example of being rigid in the workplace.
Hey Joe, I've actually got to go do something now. Would it be okay if Caleb finished off your one-to-one?
No.
Here's an example of being flexible in a phone call. Hey Caleb, just thought I'd call, because turns out some bad news has happened. I can't really go out to lunch with you today. My dog's feeling very sick. I need to take him to the vet.
Hey Mitch, that's so fine. I hope your dog gets better. Let me know how he's going. Bye.
I'm glad you understand. Bye. Here's an example of being rigid and inflexible in a phone call. Hey Caleb, just thought I'd let you know that I've got some bad news. I won't be able to go out to lunch with you today as my dog's a bit sick and he needs to go to the vet.
Excuses. Mitch, you're unbelievable. Bye.
Stop being ridiculous.
Oh, hey Mitch.
Oh, hey.
What are you doing in here?
Are we going to go for group session?
No, group session's been changed from 12:30 to 1:15 for us.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'll go back to work then.
Oh, hey Mitch, what are you doing in here?
We're doing group session, aren't we?
No, group session's been changed from 12:30 to 1:15.
But I wasn't told that. I mean, Thank you for watching this educational video. Hope you enjoyed Jigsaw.
No, sir.